How to fix eSIM not working iPhone 15. Welcome to our guide on fixing the eSIM not working issue on the iPhone 15, a common frustration among users, especially in the United States, where the device supports eSIM exclusively. Today, we're diving into practical solutions to get you connected again. The iPhone 15's reliance on eSIM technology marks a significant shift, and encountering activation or connectivity issues can be distressing. But fear not, solutions are at hand. I'll share my personal journey of encountering and overcoming eSIM issues with my iPhone 15, providing hope and proven methods to resolve similar problems. Initially, basic troubleshooting steps like restarting the iPhone, updating iOS, and reinstalling the eSIM profile were unsuccessful in resolving my connectivity woes. The breakthrough came with resetting network settings, a simple yet effective solution that restored my iPhone's eSIM functionality. This experience inspired me to compile a comprehensive guide to help others facing similar eSIM challenges on their iPhone 15. Why does eSIM not work on iPhone 15? Reasons include carrier compatibility, activation issues, outdated iOS, hardware damage, and network outages. An eSIM, being a digital SIM, requires no physical SIM card and offers the flexibility of switching carriers or plans easily. However, its functionality is contingent upon proper activation and compatibility. If your eSIM isn't activated, it won't work. Activation can usually be done by scanning a QR code or transferring an eSIM profile from a different device. Outdated iOS versions can also lead to eSIM malfunctions, highlighting the importance of keeping your device's software up to date. Physical damage to your iPhone or network outages in your area can further disrupt eSIM functionality, warranting a check with your carrier for any known issues. Given these varied causes, determining the exact reason for eSIM problems can be challenging, yet understanding potential factors is key to finding a solution. Solutions range from simple restarts and iOS updates to eSIM activation, toggling airplane mode, verifying carrier compatibility, and resetting network settings. To activate your eSIM, follow the provided steps involving settings navigation and QR code scanning or eSIM profile transfers. Flipping airplane mode on and off can sometimes kickstart eSIM connectivity, as can verifying that your carrier's eSIM plan is compatible with the iPhone 15. A network settings reset, though drastic, can effectively resolve eSIM issues but requires backing up network-related information beforehand. Disabling and re-enabling your eSIM or deleting and reinstalling it might address activation-related problems, ensuring proper setup. For travelers, enabling data roaming could resolve connectivity issues abroad, allowing your iPhone to access the internet outside your home network. Persistent problems might necessitate contacting Apple or your carrier for specialized support, whether for hardware diagnostics or carrier-specific issues. Remember, if your eSIM lacks a signal, verify compatibility, restart your device, update iOS, toggle airplane mode, and, if needed, reactivate your eSIM. Stay informed and ready to tackle any eSIM issues on your iPhone 15 with the tips and solutions shared in this guide. Subscribe for more updates and solutions to keep your devices running smoothly. Thanks for watching.